Meaning of insensibly.
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 Insensibly. Insensibly means in a gradual or imperceptible manner. When something happens insensibly, it happens slowly and subtly without being noticed, which can sometimes lead to significant consequences over time. For example, a person may insensibly gain weight over a period of several months without realizing it until they step on a scale. Insensible changes in a system or process can also have a cumulative effect, gradually altering the overall outcome. Therefore, it is important to pay attention to even small changes to avoid potential negative consequences.